Maybe Melissa, do you think that we can express ourselves on media social platform?
I think that on many social platforms we can express ourselves because we can entertain ourselves in a way that is not exercise. I don't think so because we have to maintain our self-respect on social media. Diana Destia, do you believe that social media platform can find out someone's identity?
I believe because social media can explore someone's identity.
I believe because maybe some people use media social media.
Sipa, in your opinion, how do media social platform work positively?
Personally, I think media social can help with school assessment and proper new information.